Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to show you some of my hen that have been able to hatch chicken for the first time. So you can see this hen has hatched about 10 chicken. It laid 10 eggs and was able to hatch all of them. So I'm happy, and I'm also excited to see how she's going to take care of her chicken. You can see she looks excited. The chicken also looks excited, feeding on small pieces of maize. Here you can also be able to see another hen. She is still brooding, but she's already started hatching. So you can see an egg down there. I'm trying to see if I'll be able to see one of the chick. Yeah, at least I can be able to see one of the chick there. I'm happy for them, and I'm looking forward to see how they're going to grow. Here you can see another hen. She's brooding and she's already started hatching. So I'm looking forward to see also how many chicken she's going to hatch. There you can see a chick from the egg. So you can see the mom. Still continue to brood on the eggs. So the chick knows exactly where the mom is, and she's going towards the mom. Here you can see another hen with two chicken. And I talked to you about this hen last time. You can see in the last video it was brooding the egg, and this chick beside her was guarding her throughout her brooding period. And you can see she managed to hatch one chick, and she still didn't chase the older chick. So she's a good mama. So you can see she's still protecting both chicken, and I'm happy, and I want to see exactly how they're going to grow. Here I have two hen, they're sisters, and you can see they're brooding together. And down there they have so many eggs, and I want to see exactly how many chicken they're going to hatch. You can see they really look alike. So I wish them all the best. Here I have also another hen that has some chicken that are 2 weeks old, and she's a good mama, and she usually takes good care of her chicken. So you can see the chicken have already grown feathers. They're growing big and big every day, and I hope this mama is going to take care of good care to her chicken. So I hope guys you've enjoyed the video. So remember to like, share and subscribe for more video. Till next time, bye bye.